I found out about the garage doors from a friend of mine who had some work done by Carlos, and she said, "Why don't you just drive by my house and see it?" And so I did, and it was the most beautiful thing I'd ever seen, and I was obsessed with it. So I found out how to get in touch with Carlos because I wanted him to come and give me an estimate, and I am so happy with how my doors turned out. I can't even tell you. All the work was totally professional. Everybody that worked on the doors worked harder than I can even imagine. And obviously you can see the outcome is absolutely beautiful. And every step of the way, everybody I had communication with was very professional and very straightforward, and it was just a delightful experience, and I'm so happy.